Neogen is a Korean brand. Jeshieurs here again, and welcome back again to my channel. This video is sponsored by Yesstyle. I have a clip. This is from Yesstyle, so thank you Yesstyle for giving me a free gift. Yes, for today's video is about reviewing from the product of Neogen. It's a Vital Day Cream. So I hear this product is a collaboration. So one of the influencer in Korea, Joan Kim. In the past product they have is quite big, and also they have a night and day cream, so in one package. So right now they separate the day and night. So right now I have a day cream. This is the Neogen, and I would like to try this one tomorrow morning. It's because it's already afternoon and I received earlier, so I don't have time to use this one early in the morning. Yes, as you can see. But right now, I would like to try to put in here what I can feel. So here we go. It smells good. And here, I would like to try. It's a day cream moisturizer. Actually, it's easy to dry. You can see here. Anyway, I will try this one tomorrow morning. Actually, this one is also you can refill. You can take this out here, and you can buy also if you want to have a refillable like this, and you can have this one. So it's very nice, diba? It's a very nice product. Check also guys in the Yesstyle application. You can use also my promo code or discount code Jeshieurs17 to get more discount of this. So yes, it is the same here. Joan Kim, how about Joan Day? This one is 12 months, so means when you open this one, you can use in 1 year. How to use? So they write in here, the day cream formulated with green tea and vitamin C. Help calm skin and restore skin natural clarity, leaving the skin brighter and smoother. How to use? In the morning, after cleansing, evenly apply an appropriate amount of the cream onto the face. So like how I do earlier, right? Yeah, okay guys, don't forget Neogen. So I will try also this one tomorrow, and I make you an update. Good morning guys, I'm here again. So now let's continue. I wash already my face, and let's continue to put the Neogen Vita Day Cream. So yes, as you can see earlier in the video, that I would like to say that I want to use this one in the morning. So yes, now let's start my day today. I'm using this one, Neogen Vita Day Cream from Neogen collaboration with Joan Kim. Yes, and let's try this one. As you can see earlier, I tried this one in here, and now let's try to do my face. So and it smells so good, and you can smell also the green tea. And yes, as I say earlier, this product, they have a green tea with vitamin C, and yeah, and it's easy to absorb. Like I can feel like it's easy to dry, and of course smooth. Yeah. Now I apply already. What I can feel is it's not heavy, because some of the moisturizer is heavy to your face, and this one I think it is only light, and I can smell the green tea. Yes, and it's easy to dry. It's already dry because some of the product, with moisturizer product, and when you put in your face and it's spread out, yes, you can massage. But this Neogen product is easy to dry, and also It's smooth and it's not so sticky. Because as you know, moisturizer is sticky, but this one is kind of dry, and you can feel also your skin dry and smooth. Something like it's easy to dry and you can feel the smooth. If you want to know more about the Neogen product, they have also a night cream that they have different color and variety for day night. So this is the latest version of Neogen with collaboration with Yuan team. If you want to order this one, add my promo code Jeshieurs17 to get more discounts. So this is for today, guys. And this is my product. This is the review of Neogen Vita Dew Day Cream. So thank you, guys.